friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this video I am going to show you how to change the phone battery. Actually this is my son phone and then battery already spoiled, so I ordered the new battery. So now I am just have experience to change this battery with the tools. So it's very simple and easy. You can do it by yourself in house. Then simple and easy, just open the cover and then take out the battery and then replace a new battery. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's begin and then see how. Okay friends, so now we open the cover. You can see this cover. This one is the Vivo Y51 model. So you can see here there is, if my camera can show you, there is for the opening hole. So it's very simple. We open the back cover first, and then you can see this one is the all screw we need to open. And this one is the SIM cards, memory card, all everything. So my camera can show you. This one is the Vivo Y51. So we start open. You can use any tool that you have. This one is a normal screw. So we just open. Okay friends, so we already opened all the screw. So now we try to open the cover. So actually this one is very easy. We just open like that. Then that one is the back cover, another cover. So this one is the casing cover, this one is the back cover. Now you can see here the battery. So we take out the battery connector first before we could take out the other connector. So we already take out the battery connector. This one is for the power button and then volume button. So this one we remain. We just remove the battery. So you can see the battery already dead. So this one is the old phone. We remove already the battery. This one is the charging pin and then speaker. Then this one is the motherboard. And then this one is the volume button and then on off switch. So it's very simple and easy. If you want to change any other spare part also, you can easily change. If you need to change the camera or any different parts or charging port also, you just open and then replace it new. Then you can buy this one online very cheap. Even I buy this battery is around 38 to 40. I get delivery around 40 ringgit Malaysian. So in other countries also different prices. So it's very simple and easy. You can repair in your house. It doesn't cost anything and then it doesn't require any tools. Only like this screwdriver also can. So this kind of screwdriver also you can buy cheap, 4 to 5 ringgit to any DIY shop or a hardware shop. So it's very simple. Now I open the new battery. So I buy this battery, come up with the tools also. So this one actually I already got tools. So this one is the spare tools also I get with this battery. Then you can see this one is the Vivo original battery, so I can easily replace. This one is the old battery, this one is the new battery. So very simple and easy. I just fix it. Tape already got. This one is double-sided tape. If you can see this tape is not sticking, so you can use the new tape for the stick, but this one still can stick. So I just put the battery, then stick, then I connect back. Okay, so I already connect. So before we closing, we try to on is that battery connected already or no. So we need to try first before we close the. So you can see here it's already on. Previously I cannot on because this battery is already dead. You can see here the same like watery, then bubbles. So phone already on. So I switch back the phone and then fix back the cover. Okay friends, so now we put back the cover. We put the button side first. Now we put back the screw hole. Okay friends, so you can see now phone is done ready. We changed already the battery. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for the latest updates. So see you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.